Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of aerial photography with a detailed review of the Oddire Drone. We found this impressive product online, and I've included a link in the description so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes the Oddire Drone stand out in a crowded market. This drone comes equipped with a 4K camera, intelligent GPS technology, and a host of features that cater not only to seasoned pilots but also to those who are just starting out. Its foldable design makes it portable and easy to carry, making it an excellent choice for outdoor adventures or spontaneous photography sessions. One of the key highlights of the Oddire Drone is its intelligent GPS technology. This advanced feature ensures that the drone will automatically return home when the battery is low or if the connection is lost. This gives you peace of mind, especially if you're a beginner who might be worried about losing your drone. Besides the auto return function, it also offers features like GPS follow, route planning, and fly around. These intelligent flight modes simplify operation and help you capture stunning footage effortlessly. The drone features an adjustable 4K UHD camera with a wide-angle lens. The f2.15 110 degrees lens can be adjusted up to 90 degrees via remote control or through the app. This allows you to capture high-resolution images at 4096x3072p and record videos at 2048x1088p, bringing your aerial photography experience to a whole new level. Just keep in mind that you'll need an SD card to save your photos and videos, as one isn't included in the package. One of the standout features of the Oddire Drone is its impressive flight time. With two powerful 7.7V 1800 mAh batteries, you can enjoy up to 48 minutes of uninterrupted flying. This extended flight time is perfect for those longer shoots where you don't want to be cutting your session short. Additionally, the battery indicator helps you keep track of your remaining power, so you can plan your flights effectively. Another exciting aspect of this drone is the 5G real-time transmission capability. The upgraded transmission module ensures stable and reliable flight data, allowing you to capture breathtaking aerial footage from distances of up to 1,640 feet, 500 meters. This is particularly useful when you want to film expansive landscapes or events from a distance. The Oddire Drone is also designed with practicality in mind. Weighing only 249 grams, it is lightweight, making it easy to fly without the hassle of FAA or remote ID registration. This makes it an ideal option for casual users and hobbyists who want to capture high-quality 4K footage on the go. So, who is this drone suitable for? The Oddire Drone is perfect for anyone interested in aerial photography, whether you're a beginner learning the ropes or an experienced pilot looking for a compact option with professional-grade features. It caters to photographers, travelers, and outdoor enthusiasts who want to document their adventures from unique perspectives. In terms of practical use cases, think about all the incredible moments you can capture: family outings, scenic hikes, beach days, or even special events like weddings and parties. The integrated features like waypoint flight, gravity control, and gesture photo make it easy to use, so you can focus on enjoying the moment rather than worrying about the technicalities. Plus, the app allows you to enhance your videos with filters and background music, making sharing your adventures on social media a breeze. In summary, the Oddire Drone is an all-around impressive piece of technology that combines ease of use with high-quality features. Whether you're capturing stunning landscapes or documenting family events, this drone is designed to elevate your photography experience. Thanks for watching. If this video